is it that broke? Just say it.
The sickle bar.
We're gonna see if this works or if it flies apart. Did one rack of little square bills last night, and then we're gonna do another rack tonight. It got tough last night and started plugging the baler, so we had to quit. Hopefully it's better tonight. Little square baling, Dad's baling, Connor's over there combining, and Billy's hauling.
So I was out spraying thistles this afternoon, tried to come up this bank here. There was a couple cow trails. Got myself in a bad situation. Don't have a log chain along. The four-wheeler's down in the quicksand, half of it. I wrapped this piece of barbed wire around my spinner on my pickup down to the four-wheeler, double stranded it, hoping that it pulls it out. I wish I had a GoPro to hook on here to show you, but we're gonna give her a yank, see if we can get her out. So I'm gonna lift these arms up. Yeah, it's kind of pulling it out, it looks like. Barbed wire's pretty strong double strand. Okay, now I got to get in the pickup and drive. So I pulled my arms back up as far as I could, and I pulled it out of the pond, but I got to get it up the bank. Well, it worked. Actually, once I got it out of the pond is right over there. I just drove it, kept on driving to the pickup, and it followed behind me all the way up the hill. Up here to where the gates are. So the double strand of barbed wire saved me from having to run all the way home to get a chain.
So we're back at combining wheat today. We had a couple day break because it rained and we couldn't get back in the field, but Dad's back at it over there. We just have a little bit left here in this field, and then we have another field to go to. But Dad's gonna plant a little bit of corn in this field, just a little bit, because we need some to chop corn silage. And then on the rest of it, he's not gonna plant anything because we need somewhere to haul manure. So he's hauled a couple loads of manure down here already. After we get all the straw off, then he'll spread it out. Dad Dad shut the combine off for the night. He got done with that little patch right there, and then he got done with the rest of this field, and he went to get the baler and going to bale all this because it's supposed to rain Monday. So Elsie and I are hauling all the straw bales over here. Lined them all up. Got a few more to go yet. We've been harvesting here right by these are replacement heifers, the ones that we are keeping for next year. They've been watching. They're all coming to say hi. Hi girls. I feel like you were a bottle baby. Were you a bottle baby? What do you think? There's a helicopter. Woofers! So this pond right here was almost dry last year, and I thought it was going to completely dry up. It was just like a little puddle in the middle, and if you remember, there was a cow that got stuck. It was so muddy. It's a bad deal. But we've had a really wet spring, and so now the pond is completely full. It's hot today. The girls are keeping cool. These are the last 3 bulls that were getting kicked out. These are the heifer bulls. They're the Cavanese bulls. These are the 3 that get put with the heifers because they produce small calves. So we want the heifers to calve a little later than the cows, so we turn them in a couple weeks after the cows. I think he's happy to be in the grass. Hey dude, what are you doing? Go find the ladies. Go find them.